peace. Hi guys, myself is Mr. Nax and welcome. As you know, dear friends, on this show there is zero sleeps, there is only peace.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೊರೋನಾ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನರನ್ನ ಬಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಊಟಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲದೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ JSAMC ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವರಿಗೆ, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಜಾಗೃತರಾಗಿ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರಿ. ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಜಾಗೃತವಾಗಿರಿ. ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
ಹಾಯ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ಕಿರುಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಬೈ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ COVID-19 ಈ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿಯಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇರಿ, ದಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
I wish you good luck for the Ayurveda Apat Bandhava team. Stay home, stay safe.
All the best to the Ayurveda Apat Bandhava team for the upcoming short movie. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi guys, all the best to team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Stay home, stay safe.
To be safe, stay in home, and all the best team Apat Bandhava.
All the best for the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava from Team Predators. Stay home, stay safe.
All the best to the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Apat Bandhava team.
Stay home, stay safe. All the very best team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hi, best wishes for team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Good luck and tons of best wishes guys. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. All the best for your upcoming short movie. Stay home, stay safe. Let's save the world from COVID-19.
Hi guys, as we know, fighting against COVID-19 since many days and also being in lockdown for more than 30 days, it's very tiring, right? And also watching the same old stuffs in Netflix, Amazon. Aren't we bored of all this? Yes, we are. So here comes our juniors with a new idea of creating awareness among people about COVID-19 by the short movie called Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. So hereby congratulate them and wish them all the very best for the movie. And let's stay tuned, watch, like it, share it and support them. So stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. Maintain social distancing. All the best to Apat Bandhava team.
Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and all the very best to team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ನ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪದ್ ಬಾಂಧವ.
All the very best to Apat Bandhava team. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Wash your hands frequently, maintain social distancing, remember that you're not stuck in home but you're safe at home. All the very best team Apat Bandhava.
Hello, I wish all the best for Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. May your work shine everywhere. We stand together in fight against the COVID-19. Save one life, your hero. Save 100 life, your doctor. All the best. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
All together stay home and stay safe with our family members as the corona is an ongoing pandemic act. And at last, I want to wish all the very best to the team Predators who are going to do a short movie called Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Let's give them a big thumbs up, guys.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ, one of the short movie from final year Predators. I wish them a great success from this short movie. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಜೈ ಆಂಜನೇಯ.
Prevention is better than cure, so stay home and stay safe. All the best to team Apat Bandhava.
Hi, prevention is better than cure. Being a responsible citizen, we should follow 3 simple rules. Wear mask, use sanitizers and maintain social distance in order to protect you and your family from this pandemic COVID-19. I wish all the luck to Team Predators for their upcoming short film Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Thank you.
Use mask whenever you step out. Prevention is better than cure. And all the best to Team Predators.
As we all know, the deadly disease coronavirus is becoming strong day by day. It's high time we all stay together and fight against this coronavirus. So let's all stay home and stay safe. Now let's all wish a heartful all the best to team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava who are presenting a beautiful short movie on the awareness of coronavirus. All the best.
Be careful, be alert, be kind. Be ready to fight COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. All the best for the team, Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone, please support Ayurveda Apat Bandhava team. Stay home, stay safe.
Do follow all the precautionary measures. Stay home, stay safe, and all the best to team Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone, please support Ayurveda Apat Bandhava team. Stay home, stay safe.
The greatest wealth is health, so please stay home, stay safe. All the best for team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Use mask whenever you step out. Prevention is better than cure. And all the best to the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone, ಸ್ವಸ್ಥಸ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣಂ. Prevention is better than a cure. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. And all the best for our team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Thank you.
Hi friends, health is wealth. Stay home, stay safe. All the best for the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Value of health is not valid until one becomes sick. Please stay home and stay safe. All the best for Ayurveda Apat Bandhavas.
Prevention is better than cure. Stay home, stay safe. All the best team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Thank you.
Precautions for COVID-19. Wash your hands with hand wash regularly and use mask whenever you go out. Stay home, stay safe, and all the best to the dear Ayurveda Apat Bandhava team.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
The novel coronavirus or the COVID-19 disease can be stopped. Together we can do it. Also, I'd like to congratulate the Predators who bring out an amazing message to their performance called Ayurveda Apat Bandhava in adverse situations like this. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, health is not just a goal, it's a way of living. We all need to stay home and it only work out when we all do it together. A very all the best for the team Predators for their upcoming short movie Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Stay home, stay safe.
Don't step down the road. Say goodbye to Corona. All the best to team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Ayurveda has no limitations until we accept it and practice it. So guys, please do follow Ayurveda and make use of it. Stay home, stay safe, and very warm wishes to the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Maintain social distancing and avoid traveling. Let's all fight against this. And all the best for the team Ayurveda Abhat Bandava.
Health is real wealth and not a piece of gold or silver. So please stay home, stay safe, and save your lives. All the best for Team Ayurveda Apat Bandava.
Hi guys, health is very important, so please stay home and be safe. And I wish very all the best for the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Rest at home is better than rest in peace. So stay home, stay safe. All the best to Team Predators Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hello everyone. A good health is true wealth. So follow Ayurveda to prevent the disease. To prevent the COVID-19, stay home, be safe, and a good wishes to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Prevention is better than cure. Maintain social distance, stay home, stay safe, and all the best to Team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Wash your hands frequently, maintain social distancing. Remember, you're not stuck at home, you're safe at home. All the very best, Team Apta Bandhava.
Let's fight against COVID-19 with proper personal hygiene and social distancing. Stay home, stay safe, and all the best for Team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone, we are all staying in home because of this novel coronavirus. So I request you people to please stay in home and be safe. To create awareness about this pandemic disease, we the creators are going to make a short movie called Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. So I request you people to please like it and share it. Thank you.
Hi everybody, COVID-19 is the worst pandemic we are all facing today. So stay home, stay safe, be a hero for the world. We stand together by staying apart from each other. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಿರುಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಪತ್ ಬಾಂಧವ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮನೆಯೇ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ.
It's time to show unity. Stay home, stay safe. Don't step out of your home unnecessarily. And all the best to the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hey guys, what the world needs now is solidarity. With solidarity, we can defeat the virus and build a better world. So stay home, let's be positive, save lives, and let's be safe. We can beat it together. My classmates are giving best and good concept based on COVID-19 awareness. So all the best for the team
Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hey guys, firstly I wish and congratulate my team colleagues that they have made a wonderful short movie based on preventing and control of coronavirus. So stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Some people told about Ayurveda, that is Ayurveda is the science of life, and about Ayurvedic medicine they have told that true medicines come from earth, nature, not from lab. Once again, I thank to those team members, team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Avoid contact with sick people. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly. If you develop a cough, please use a surgical face mask. All the best to our team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Do subscribe and share.
Hello everyone. Though we are not together now, we are together in spirit. No matter which part of the world we are together in heart. So let's fight COVID-19 by staying home and staying safe. And I wish very all the best to the upcoming short movie Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Precautions for COVID-19. Wash your hands regularly. Stay home, stay safe. All the best for Team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hey everyone, how is everyone doing? I think it's very important for us to be a responsible citizen. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ BAMS, JSS, AMC are doing a wonderful job. I want you all to support us. Like, share and subscribe. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿ. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, stay out of danger. This is Rishtanit signing off.
Cleanliness is the first law of health. Wash your hands, maintain hygiene, stay home, stay safe, follow Ayurveda Apat Bandhavas.
Prevention is better than cure. Stay home, stay safe,
All the best to the team Predators.
Do you know why all the temples are closed? Because all the gods are wearing white coats. So stay home, stay safe. All the best to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Like, support and share.
Hello everyone. To fight against coronavirus, we need to maintain social distance, follow the guidelines provided by the government. So stay home, stay safe, and all the best team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Smoking causes lung cancer, corona causes lung disorder. So stay home, stay safe. All the best team Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone. Our soldiers take out our borders to protect our country. Similarly, we got a chance to protect our country by staying home. So please stay home, be safe, be smart and be guarded. And let's fight against the COVID-19 together. And all the best for Ayurveda Apat Bandhavas.
Stay home, stay safe. All the best to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hi everyone, solidarity, mutual trust, and the sincere cooperation should guide our actions to fight against this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe. So, my classmates are giving a good concept about the awareness of COVID-19. All the best to the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Hey guys, you know the best way to stop the spread of coronavirus is to wash your hands frequently. Wear mask and sanitize your hands to keep yourself and everyone around safe. Appreciating the efforts of our predators, I wish all the luck for their upcoming short film Ayurveda Apat Bandhava. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. All the best team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Center of your heart is center of the universe. Go that center and vibrate the positive vibration. Please stay home and stay safe. All the best for Apat Bandhavas.
Happiness is the highest form of health. So please stay home, stay safe. All the best for the team Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Ayurveda is our strength in these times of epidemic. Please do follow Ayurveda and a very good wishes to Ayurveda Apat Bandhava.
Wash your hands properly and regularly. Stay home, stay protected.
So kindly be along with us, subscribe to this channel.